In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching photos and selecting photos or collections at the bottom. Either way, after finding your photos to get rid of, hold one of them. And to select multiple, use those type of dots at the top right corners. Now to keep some of them, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the top of Collections section or at the bottom of Photos one. Then choose OK and move the bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!